ready with your literature book? Page 30, write classwork, write today's date. Today's date is 4/8/21. Write today's date. 4/8/21. Before we start the class, children, let me take your attendance. I'll be calling out your attendance, children. Please wait. Okay. In the meantime, since it's taking ages to get connected, let us start doing page 30. As I call out your name, you will switch on your mic, read the full sentence, and then give me the answer. Right? Saida Batul, say yes or no. Sentence number 1.
No.
I said, what did I say? I said read the full sentence and then give me the answer, child.
The little caterpillar lives on a mango tree.
True or false? You have to give the answer in yes or no. Sorry, you have to give the answer in yes or no.
No.
Okay, very good. So please write no in front of the sentence and underline it. Write no in front of the sentence and underline it. Viraj Gupta. Sentence number 2.
Yes.
Wants. WANTS is wants. Garden. GARDEN is garden.
Garden.
Very poor reading, Viraj Gupta. Very poor reading. Very poor reading. Keep on reading. rose garden with the read करते रहो बेटा. This is the name of the lesson, Viraj. Caterpillar. Now read the sentence with me. The bee wants to. पढ़ो मेरे साथ साथ. The bee wants to. Viraj Gupta, pay attention to what I am saying. पहले मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, मेरे पीछे वही सेंटेंस, वही वर्ड्स तुम पढ़ोगे. The bee wants to go to the rose garden with the little caterpillar. Yes, अब बताओ. It's yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Write yes in front of it, children. Yes, एकाग्र.
मैं अपनी नानी के घर आया हूँ तो मेरी मम्मा मेरी
You have already sent your books to me. I did not ask for the books, एकाग्र. मैंने सिर्फ कॉपीज मांगी थी बेटा. Okay. Next, Nishkat. Sentence number 3. Nishkat, sentence number 3. पढ़ो. Read sentence number 3.
The butterfly asked the caterpillar to eat a
Eat a I think connection is broken again, but please stay online, all of you. Eat a okay, Nishkat, I think your connection. Eat a lot. फिर से पढ़ो. Nishkat.
eat a lot, eat the a lot of eat
Leaves.
leave.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. But Nishkat, जब आप पढ़ रहे हो, when you are in class, please sit properly. अभी when you were reading, you are holding on to your foot. Please sit straight, sit properly. Okay.
Okay.
Veronica, the next one, please. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am. The little caterpillar sleeps in the cocoon.
Okay, what is it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, children, please write in the book. And before the connection gets lost, let me take your attendance first. Right? Adya Verma. Adya Verma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Achint.
ma'am.
Achint.
Yes, ma'am.
Present,
Adya
ma'am.
Verma present, ma'am.
Yes, Adya Verma present, ma'am. Ashint Malhotra present, ma'am. Adyan.
Present, ma'am.
Advait. Advait.
Present, ma'am.
Akshat.
Ashint Malhotra present, ma'am.
Akshat.
Present, ma'am.
Akshita, Arna,
Present, ma'am. Kumar Rohan, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Akshita Yadav, Akshita Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
yes, who's saying
Excuse me, ma'am.
who's saying excuse me, ma'am? I have marked you present, child. I can read your names also. So please don't interrupt when I am taking attendance or speaking. For God's sake. Arna Raj.
Ma'am.
Arna Raj. Arna Raj, are you there? Arslan. Arsalan.
Present, ma'am.
Ayansh.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh.
Present, ma'am.
Ekagr.
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat.
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat, where are you? Fazilat, I called you yesterday. Why didn't your mother take my call? क्यों फजीलत? कल मैंने कॉल किया था, कॉल क्यों नहीं रिसीव की और नहीं रिसीव कर ली थी, तो मम्मी ने कॉल बैक क्यों नहीं करा मुझे?
मैम वो नेट नहीं आ रहा था।
नेट से कॉल का क्या ताल्लुक? मैंने नॉर्मल कॉल करी थी बेटा। प्लीज टेल योर मदर टू टॉक टू मी व्हेन आई कॉल हर टुडे, ओके? आई विल कॉल हर अप। हनीफा, हनीफा, हाशवी,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
हावेरा, हावेरा, वेर आर यू? हावेरा अब्बास, I don't.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Oh, where is Havira? I want to see. I want to see Havira, please. Where is Havira? Ishanvi Trivedi.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Jennifer Samuel. Jennifer. Laiba.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Lavik. Lavik Agarwal. Mahera Fatma. Mahera Fatma.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Mohammad Abdullah. Mohammad Abdullah. Mohammad Yasir. Mohammad Yasir. Yasir Faisal. Yasir Faisal. Hussain. Hussain. Mohammad Ismail. Good morning, Hussain. Ismail Warsi. Izan Siddiqui.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Myra Tandon.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Nabia. Nabia Fatma. Nabia Fatma, are you there? Whose mic is switched on? Rabia is absent. Naima Khan. Naima, present or absent? Nishkat. Nishkat. Naima Khan present, Nishkat present, Saida Batul present, Shayan present, Suknoor absent, Swastik absent, Tasmia. Tasmia, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Veronica present, Vidushi Thakur. Vidushi is present. Viraj Gupta present.
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan. Yashwardhan Pathak. Yatharth Shukla. Yatharth Shukla.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Hanifa present. Ma'am, Hanifa present.
Children, इतनी देर बाद अटेंडेंस देने का व्हाट इज द पॉइंट? ओके नाउ
मैम मिनिमाइज हो गया था वो कर नहीं पाई जब तक आप कॉल की उसका नेम
पेरेंट्स प्लीज children send me the image of this page that you have done just now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adya. Yes, Adya.
may I go to toilet?
Yes, please go. Send me the image, children.
Ma'am, Sanskar Jain.
I can't hear, please. Oh, sorry, Sanskar, I didn't take your name. Sanskar Jain, I've marked you present. I've marked you present, beta. I didn't take your name. Yes. Sanskar. Oh, okay. Okay, child.
Present.
Yes, Sanskar has marked you present, beta. I've marked you present, okay?
Your voice is not coming.
Children, I think I have to change the setting of the group so that you can send me your work, right? Just give me a minute. Send me the work in the group, children. Page 30, the first exercise. Send me the work in the group, please. Yes, Arsalan, correct. Advait, correct. Ayansh, correct. Ayansh, नीचे का काम क्यों कर लिया है? All this work is to be done with me in class. पहले से काम करने का मतलब है you are not interested in being in my class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Please rub it out. Shayan, okay. Please keep sending me your work, children. After you send the work, you can leave the class, children. Bye bye.